Hey, this is Michael, the God of Kitchens, and welcome to part 2 of our series on how to make bread. Today we're going to be looking at what our sourdough starters were doing overnight, and without further ado, let's get to it. Welcome back to part 2 of our series on how to bake bread. So we had our starters sitting for 24 hours now, and let's see what they're doing. So, open this up. Okay, looks nice, creamy. I don't know if you can see this right here. It smells like rye flour, nothing special. So what we want to do next is we will add the same amount today. So again, get your scale out, set it to grams. We want to have, of course, zero it out, of course. We want to have another 50 grams of rye flour. Good. And of course, again, 50 grams of warm water. Okay, now it's getting a little fuller, and we want to mix this in gently, just like we did yesterday. Be sure to get some room. You're going to see a lot more bubbly today, so excited for tomorrow. We'll check on that, but spoiler, tomorrow will be a little more what we're going to do. So this is it. I'm going to put our lid back on, put this back into our warm room at 27 degrees Celsius in my case, and see what this is going to look like tomorrow. So thank you for joining me.